Hello and welcome to our talk show Rubru. I'm Neha Chauhan and today I'm here with the organizer of One Travel Alliance and OTA Travel and Tourism Expo, Rimjim Saikia ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hello, Neha.
How are you ma'am?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good ma'am. So ma'am, my very first question to you is what is OTA Travel and Tourism Expo?
The OTA Travel and Tourism Expo,
Hmm.
it is a concept that we developed. It is basically one travel alliance where we are bringing in all the sectors of tourism into one platform
Okay.
through the core idea of digitalization. As we know that we all book our flight tickets, we book our hotels, we book our packages online nowadays, right?
Right.
Many a times we don't go physically to a travel agent. So digitalization is very important because the entire travel community now are moving towards fast,
Hmm.
technological platforms, digital
Right.
platforms to number one, to ease, their way of doing business. And the second is to stay in business.
Hmm.
So through our platform, we will be having so many different sectors of the tourism, travel and tourism, segment.
Okay.
One would be the traditional showcase. There would be very credible hotels. There would be airlines. There would be, destination management companies, travel agents, and tour operators who would be showcasing their offerings. Second would be destinations in themselves, right?
Okay.
Like we have so many states in India. The states would be represented at our show. Apart from that, we have so many international countries. Each country have their unique culture,
Hmm.
unique offering, right? Some may have desert landscapes, some may have mountains, some may have beaches, and that is what sets one destination apart
Okay.
from another. So that is what the tourists and the travelers they go to experience. So these showcases would be there, but how are we using digital platforms to reach these
Hmm.
destinations, and how are we sharing our experience about our travel to everyone we know through digital platforms again?
Okay.
So that would be the core that would be throughout the OTA Travel and Tourism Expo. Second is through the OTA Expo we would also be empowering
Hmm.
a lot of our travel community fraternity. Even the in the main showcase, we would not just see tour operators from the metros. We'd also have a lot of attendance in terms of participation, in terms of visiting the expo from travel agents, tour operators, hospitality hotel owners, from the tier 2, tier 3 cities of India as well.
Okay.
At the same time, we will also be having hosted buyers from across India, some of the most credible hosted buyers, and internationally also we'll be having hosted buyers who would be coming to the show, and they would have. We hope to bring in great collaborations, great MOUs after the show.
Okay. So can you tell us about the inspiration behind starting this or maybe the idea you get from this?
The inspiration
Hmm.
behind the OTA Expo is that, as I said,
Hmm.
the concept of digitalization. But along with that, trying to embed the cultural elements of a destination,
Okay.
or the culture, or the I would say the concept of a particular travel segment. Let's say, suppose it is an airline, a plane, right? A
Hmm.
plane can take you from Delhi to Mumbai. So your experience from Delhi to Mumbai would be different, right? Delhi to Mumbai would be a particular experience.
Hmm.
Let's say you are being served vada pav on the flight,
Right.
when you go from Delhi to Mumbai. So vada pav is like a Mumbai delicacy, right? Although it's a snack.
Hmm.
So same way, if you are traveling to, let's say, Thailand, you get a particular unique dish on the
Hmm.
flight. So what we want to bring in is digital is the core, but
Hmm.
along with that, the experiences that are embedded in
That is traditional.
that is very,
Hmm.
including the traditions.
Hmm.
If it is a, let's say it is a Egypt Airlines, right? So when you sit in that airline, you should feel about, so which they are doing.
Okay.
And so in many flights, when you sit, you immediately feel like I'm already in the destination.
Hmm.
So that is what, through the digital technologies and through the experiences, unique experiences, will be showcased at the OTA Travel and Tourism Expo. And we will also bring in some experiential centers
Okay.
at the event, which would be managed and showcased by the respective destinations. For example, if we have a showcase for an African country, for example Ethiopia, then you can experience the unique coffee in that, in their pavilion.
Hmm.
So we will curate, let's say if we are showcasing Uttar Pradesh, then we will have a unique dish that you can try, or something, or
Something at the
maybe
drinks.
a more like concept like the temples of
Hmm.
Uttar Pradesh, for example. So these are some of the beautiful elements that we want to embed together and bring in the show.
Okay, so talking about destination, so if we talk about this OTA Travel and Expo, what type of destination we're gonna see? International destinations, and how many international destinations we're gonna see in that? Are you representing it?
We are expecting, see, we already have confirmations
Hmm.
from more than 30 international
Oh,
destinations,
that's lovely.
right? So when you come to the expo, you would be able to see a plethora of cultures, ranging from Asian countries to Middle Eastern countries to African countries to American countries,
Hmm.
European countries. So all of that.
Okay, so talking about how do you see tourism contributing to our Indian economy in the near future and also now?
Tourism is a economy booster.
Hmm.
As our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji he had once mentioned that when it is a sector like tourism, everyone gets benefited, everyone gets supported in the entire chain, from a chai wala to the hotel.
Okay.
If whether it is a chai wala, whether it is the rickshaw wala, whether it is the tour guide, whether it is the hotel, whether it is the like the cabs, and then wellness centers, the markets, because the tourists would also go and buy something from the markets, right? So everyone in the ecosystem get benefited.
Right.
So tourism definitely gets boosted through, I mean, if tourism is there, tourism is boosted, then definitely the entire economy gets boosted.
Okay, so talking about economy, and if we talk about the travel influencers, so do you think what important their role they play in promoting the tourism in India or in internationally, the travel
Travel
influencers?
influencers definitely play a very important role, because they are influencers in the real sense of the term,
They
right?
influence other
Their
people.
opinions matter,
Hmm.
because when you look at a video by an influencer, we feel like we are part of their journey, right from the time they go to the airport,
Hmm.
till the time they sit in the plane, they reach the destination, they try a new cuisine, they talk about a new experience,
Right.
we feel that we are also there with them. So that actually, that real time effect that is created through the influencer videos is very important for tourism. And that is why we can see that there are so many credible influencers who are promoting destinations in the way they should be. Because before the age of social media,
Hmm.
we used to look at destinations from the only from a magazine, maybe in a newspaper, maybe on the television.
Hmm.
But now it is like we're talking about real people, real
Right.
experiences. So definitely influencers matter a lot when it comes to promoting tourism.
Okay, talking about challenges, so I mean organizing such a large event scale, large event. So what type of challenges you have faced?
Managing a large event, it is all about teamwork, I would say.
Hmm.
Challenges are there in every aspect of life.
Right.
So it is all about how we create a system and how we delegate tasks. So we have an excellent team, and we have an excellent network of industry partners. So I'm sure that, anything, whether expected or unexpected, if it comes in our way, we will definitely get through that, because
Okay.
we have the support of, number one, our team, number two, our partners, and number three, our entire travel fraternity.
That's great. So let me ask you let me ask you interesting question. So that would be, can we see any future collaboration between Marva Studios and OTA Travel and Tourism Expo?
We in fact already have a collaboration.
Okay.
We have a collaboration. If I talk about ICMEI as a
Hmm.
chamber, and Marwa Studios.
You have also signed EMO, right? MO.
We have already signed an MOU with
MO, right?
ICMEI. So I feel that Marwa Studios is doing a great work in actually in terms of content creation,
Hmm.
and we have collaborated with ICMEI, that is your parent body,
Hmm.
the association, so that we can definitely promote the culture of not just India, but like so that we can talk about, we can experience cultures from around the world, and definitely we hope to have a great collaboration.
Okay, all the very best for that. And last question, what message you would like to give to the aspiring traveling professionals and the entrepreneurs?
One message, are you asking about one message, or I can give two, three messages?
As much as you can.
Okay, I was just joking. So, our expo is from 29th of September to the 1st of October. I would definitely like to invite all the travel professionals, whether they are travel agents, whether they are tour operators, whether they are destination management companies, or they are from the hospitality sector, or they are from the aviation sector, or they are from, any sector of travel and tourism field. So I would like to welcome all of them to the One Travel Alliance OTA Travel and Tourism Expo to experience tourism in a completely different light.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving such an insightful session about your traveling professionals. I've been talking about the event of OTA Travel and Tourism Expo. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for inviting me today. And I was happy that I could actually share about the expo, and I would like to once again invite everyone.
Okay.
See you all from September 29th to the 1st of October at Yashovumi, New Delhi,
Sure.
at the OTA Travel and Tourism Expo.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Keep watching our talk show Rubru. We will be back with another episode.